Hello students, I am going to discuss electric field intensity due to dipole at equatorial line. First, I am going to discuss what is equatorial line. A line perpendicular to dipole which is passes through center of the dipole is called equatorial line. Now, as you can see that there are two charges minus q and plus q separated by distance 2a and a point P which is r distance above the center of dipole on equatorial line, where we have to calculate electric field intensity. Consider point P as a positive point. It means plus q charge will repel point P and minus q charge will attract point P. Now E1 is the electric field intensity due to plus q charge and E2 is the electric field intensity due to minus q charge. So by Pythagoras theorem we can find these values. As these sides are equal, it means these angle will also equal. If this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta because they are alternate angle. Similarly, if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta, corresponding angle. So अब हम इसके कंपोनेंट करते हैं. Cos component will come on that line which is making angle with the vector, and sin theta will become on that line perpendicular to cos component. Now electric field intensity due to point charge is E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square. So E1 will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon distance का square. Distance means minus q and point distance between minus q and point P. So it is under root r square plus a square. और जब हम इसका होल स्क्वायर करेंगे then it will become r square plus a square, which will be equals to E2. Now as sine component are in opposite direction and equal in magnitude, so they will cancel each other, and cos component are in same direction, so the resultant will be calculated by E equals to E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta, as E1 equals to E2. So in place of E2 I am writing E1, so that will become 2 E1 cos theta. So 2 and put the value of E1 and cos theta as it is. Now in the next step I am writing the value of cos theta. As you know that cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. So base is a and hypotenuse is under root r square plus a square. So instead of under root I am writing half power, and this 2 is written with 2a. So q into 2a will become P, and electric field will be P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus a square to the power 3 by 2. Important thing is that the direction of this electric field intensity is opposite to the direction of electric dipole moment, or from positive to negative. Similarly, if r is very greater than a, then we can neglect a and we get r cube instead of r square plus a square to the power 3 by 2.